Live it up, live it up, live it up.
Okay, love, so I'm back with a completed look. This is my go-to neutral eye that I like to rock when I'm trying to rush out the house, but I'm trying to look a little, you know, cute. So this is the look that I went with, and you can achieve this look by using your Anastasia. Let me get that palette for y'all. The Soft Glam palette. Yeah, I went in with orange soda on the lid and burnt orange and sienna in the crease, and on my outer I use mulberry. And I've done this tutorial before, but some of you all wanted to see it again, and here it is. This is the eye that I wore on my son's field trip, but minus the lashes. All right, guys, if you have any questions, let me know down in the comment section, and I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. I thank you all for stopping by my channel. For my new subscribers, welcome to the family. For my old subscribers, thank you for holding me down, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to share my video, you guys. All right.